Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing our end of the month side hustle. So that means we are going to be going into our eBay and our Mercari shop to see how much we sold, our profit, and how much we are going to be stuffing. Now you can see that we are going to be taking out taxes, putting some money towards debt, vacation, money challenges, and also Dobby will be getting some money as well. This was a really good month, and I am super excited to be sharing with you guys how much we made for the month of November. But before we get into it, I would like to make a little announcement. So as of right now, as of today, which is Saturday when I am filming this video, but this video will not be up until next Saturday, which is totally fine. It's a week from today, but I wanted to film this. But anyways, on the 26th, so my Etsy shop is officially open. I deleted everything that I had before. I used to do like vinyl and stuff with my sister-in-law. Now we are going to be doing digitals. We're going to be doing money challenges. So I have two digitals up right now. First one is a money challenge and the second one is not. So the first one is the Rainy Day Fund, which you have seen in my videos on the money challenges, and these are digital downloads. They are $2 and it's really cute. I think it's cute. It's a rainy day fund, pretty much for like emergency funds or anything like that. You set your goal. We did not set a goal for you, so if you want to save $2 or $200, then each goal or each umbrella would be around $8 or so, and it'll be $200 once you finish it. But I thought that this was super cute. My sister-in-law is the one who designed all these. I am slowly trying to design. I'm not a very good designer, but so that is the first one, and everything is digital. So once you pay for it, then it will get sent to your email. And then the next one is, I actually used this for Black Friday, and my sister-in-law made this as well. So it is a Christmas gift list. So you set your budget. So my budget was $800 because I did the $150 Christmas, and then also I had $650 for my Bada. Whenever you pay for this, so it is $1.25, and it is a digital download as well. So with the Christmas gift list on the top, you'll have budget, and then each little box, you have 8 boxes, but of course when you do the digital, you can just print out how many you want, how many pages you want. So you will have the name, how much you want to spend for them, present ideas, and then once you finished with that person, you can just do a little check mark, color in it or anything, and push finish. So it works for me. I definitely used it for Black Friday, and out of the 8 people, I think I actually have 11 people or 12 people. Let's just say 12 people. The 12 people that I actually had to buy for, I actually finished buying for 6 of them, and this list actually helped me a lot, which I am super excited about that. So that is $1.25. This was just listed, and we did get a sale on that, which was super fun, super exciting. But yeah, so I just wanted to let y'all know that my Etsy shop is open, and it is KK's with a S, Thrifty Design. So KK's is my sister-in-law. That's what they call her, Aunt KK and everything. So she's KK, and then Thrifty is my name because of Thrifty Asian, and then Designs, which we design products for digital downloads. But anyways, enough about that. That was 4 minutes of your life gone. I am so sorry. But if you like that, my link for my Etsy shop will be down below. We are going to be slowly adding some more money challenges, which is going to be super fun. And I'm just excited. But anyways, so side hustle, eBay, Mercari. eBay, as you can see, I've already added the profit that we made. So eBay was $205 and Mercari was $70 for the month of November. So that means that we made $275, which is awesome for us, you guys. Now moving on to how much the items sold, how many we sold. I gotta find another color so then it will pop a little bit more. So the item sold, we had a total of 33 items that sold in the month of November. So on eBay, 26 items sold, which is awesome. And then Mercari, we had 7 items sold. So that is actually really good for 33 items for the month of November. I want to say it's my highest month, but I have to see and check it out. I know there is another one that I sold a little over $300 on one paycheck or one eBay account, but I'm not sure if this is the most items that I sold. I'm pretty sure it is, but who knows. All right, so moving on to the fees that we all hate. Total shipping fees. So the shipping fee for November was $149.03. So this is technically all from eBay. Mercari, whenever you sell an item off of Mercari, it's already included in the buyer has to pay for the shipping. So whenever I click like the details, it says shipping $0 because the buyer paid that. So it's not coming out of my profit or anything like that, which is great. But it's $149.03. That is a little bit lower than what happened last month, where we had a lot of shipping fee, which was crazy. So I'm trying to sell items that was less than a pound, which is great because a pound is literally less than $6, roughly around like $4 or $5, which is great. So that's what I have been trying to do. All right, so moving on to like fees, like taxes. I think there's some other fees for like Mercari, which is fine. So the fees for eBay was, let's see, the total was $108.23. So Mercari only had $13.01 for fees. So that's like the additional fees. And then in eBay fees, that is from ad fees, regular eBay fees, promotional fees, like anything like that. So that was actually $95.22. So that is a total of $108.23, which is very sad. So as always, I like to add up how much my profit would be if shipping and ad fees never exist, pretty much. And I like to be sad for like 5 seconds. So we would have made $532.26, but we have $275 to work with right now, which is totally fine with me. We're gonna make it, you guys. So let's go ahead and take our money out, and we are going to go ahead and count. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, and 75. So we have $275. So I'm just going to straighten all of this up. And we are going to get to stuffing, which is pretty exciting. All right, so we got to do the boring stuff again. So taxes, $275 times 20% is going to be $55 is how much we are going to be taking out. Debt, we are going to be putting $50. Vacation is going to be getting $100. Dobby is getting $20, and I believe Money Challenge is getting $50. Let's go ahead and subtract all of that to make sure that we are on the same page. So that is zeroed out, which is great. And it's actually raining outside. Dang, I should have took Dobby out before I started this video. That is, it's fine. Everything is fine, you guys. All right, so Money Challenge. Let's start with taxes. So taxes is 20%, and we are going to be putting $55 in. 20, 40, 50, and 55. I'm excited about tax season. I'm not excited if I have to, I'm pretty sure I won't pay anything, but if I do have these YouTube taxes that we have been saving up, which is great on our part. I'm just going to zoom y'all out just a little bit. All right, so with the $55, we are having 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $407 for YouTube taxes. $407. Now, when I keep saying YouTube taxes, I also mean like Mercari, eBay, any of that platform. I just have YouTube taxes on that envelope because it is very old. I've been using that for a couple of years now, so that's the reason. All right, so next we are going to be doing debt. So debt is going to be getting $50, $45.50, and that is going to be set aside, and we're going to make it a payment off of our Capital One. So debt, and we already did a $100 on our paycheck. And if you notice that we did not do another paycheck stuffing this Saturday, it's because my bank was closed on Thanksgiving and also on Friday to recognize the holiday and everything. And I didn't get paid until Friday. So I couldn't get, $760 out of the ATM. I got most of it out. But yeah, so I couldn't do that. Hopefully we'll do one in December, fingers crossed. But that's the reason why there wasn't a video on this Saturday with the stuffing video. It's like the second time because of the holidays and everything. So moving on to our sinking funds. And we are going to be doing our vacation. So our vacation is going to be $100. So that is 20, 40, 60, 81. So that is exciting. And that is going to be on our money challenge. And I'm not sure how much money we have, but I'm just going to write $100. We do have more, but that is in our money challenge envelope. All right, so next is going to be, let's go ahead and get rid of Dobby. So Dobby is also getting $20. The only reason I picked Dobby is because he has a groomers on December 20th to be de-shed again. So he goes every 6 weeks. It's roughly about $85. So that is the reason why I chose to put extra money towards Dobby's sinking fund. So that is 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, and 80. So that is $80. So Dobby will be $80. And then our money challenge, which is going to be 20, 40, and 50. So $50. And we're going to do $50. And that is going to be in our next money challenge that you see. But anyways, so that is it, you guys. A little recap again. So our total profit was $275, and our eBay was $205 of profit, and then Mercari was $70. The items that was sold on eBay was 26 items, and Mercari was 7, equaling to 33 items sold, which is a great. Total shipping cost was $149.03 for this month, and then our fees, eBay was $95.22, and Mercari was $13.01, with a total of $108.23. So our taxes from 20% out of $275 was $55. So we have a total taxes envelope for $407. Debt, we did $50. That's going to be going towards our Capital One. Vacation is $100, which is going to go towards my birthday trip in January. Money challenge is going to be $50. And then Dobby, I put $20, which he comes up to a total of $80. But that is it, you guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of the weekend. And I will see you guys soon for another video. And also, don't forget about the Etsy shop that is fully open right now. And we are going to be adding more stuff. The link will be down below. And I hope to see you guys over there. I love you guys. And thank you so much for your love and support. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.